MI-7172 Deluxe CPU mount with sliding track installation. Hold the under-desk mount underneath the desk in the desired location. Ensure adequate depth from the edges of the desk to accommodate the dimensions of your PC case. Using a pencil, mark the center of the smaller end of the two keyhole-shaped screw slots as shown. Remove the desk mount and drill pilot holes in the marked locations using a 1/8 drill bit to a depth of 0.6 inches. Partially install two screws into the drilled locations, leaving a gap of approximately 1/10 of an inch between the desk and the bottom of the screw head. Place the under-desk mount over the two screws and slide the mount so that the screws are resting in the smaller end of the keyhole slots. Install the remaining 4 screws and washers into the desk. Tighten all 6 screws until secure. Apply the protective pads as shown on the CPU holder by peeling off the adhesive cover and sticking them to the CPU holder. Install the sliders onto the protruding edges of the top of the CPU holder. Then, slide the CPU holder into the under-desk mount. Place the end caps on each end of the under-desk mount and secure them in place with the provided screws. Locate and partially loosen the hand knob on the bottom of the CPU holder. Expand the lower horizontal arm fully or to a size greater than the width of the CPU. Unlatch the levers on each vertical side of the CPU holder. Lower the bottom portion to the lowest level. Insert the CPU and center it against the vertical column of the CPU holder. Ensure the fabric pull handle is hanging over the top of the case and accessible for future use. Lift the bottom of the mount to slide the mount upward until the top of the PC case is touching or close to the top of the CPU holder. Press the lower horizontal arm in until it is snug against the side of the CPU case and tighten the hand knob back down.